Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best nursery sets is probably one of the most crucial decisions new parents face, as it lays the foundation for a safe, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing environment for their precious little one, impacting everything from sleep quality to developmental milestones and creating lasting memories during those fleeting early years. Number 5. Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Portable Chair. Introducing the Go With Me Venture Portable Chair. It's your perfect companion for both indoor and outdoor adventures, ensuring comfort wherever you go. Don't let the sun stop the fun. This portable chair comes with a built-in sun canopy, offering shade and protection for your little one. Designed to adapt, it supports your child through 3 distinct growth stages. This means it's a chair that grows with them, providing support and comfort over time. Available in a lovely pink hue, this chair is as stylish as it is practical. It's easy to take anywhere, making it a must-have for active families. Its lightweight and portable design makes it incredibly easy to transport. Set it up in seconds and let the adventures begin. Whether you're at the park, the beach, or just in the backyard, this chair provides a comfortable and safe spot for your child. Enjoy quality time together, anywhere. What we like. This portable seat is perfect for parents on the go. Its lightweight design and sun canopy make it ideal for outdoor adventures or indoor lounging. If you're looking for a versatile seat that grows with your child and can be used anywhere, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The crib is made of solid wood and is very sturdy. The changing table has a lot of storage space and the drawers slide smoothly. The dresser is a good size for a nursery and the drawers are deep. Number 4. Litti 18-inch Baby Doll Nursery Playset. Welcome to the ultimate nursery experience for your 18-inch dolls. This comprehensive set includes everything needed to create a nurturing environment, from a cozy crib to a convenient carrier. Spark your child's imagination and nurturing instincts with this engaging playset. It provides the perfect setting for them to care for their beloved dolls, enhancing their pretend play adventures. Designed for ease, this playset sets up in moments without any tools required. When playtime is over, it conveniently folds flat for simple storage, making it ideal for any space. Built with sturdy, kid-friendly materials, this playset is made to last through countless hours of play. Its charming floral and butterfly designs add a touch of magic to the nursery. Looking for a delightful gift? This playset is a wonderful choice for birthdays and holidays, suitable for children aged 3 and above. It's compatible with most baby dolls and their accessories. What we like. This playset offers a full nursery experience for your child's dolls. With a crib, swing, and high chair, it's designed to foster nurturing and imaginative role play. If your child loves caring for dolls and enjoys pretend play, this set provides all the accessories for hours of fun. What people say. The crib has a beautiful design and is very sturdy. The changing table is spacious and has plenty of storage. The dresser drawers are deep and glide smoothly. Number 3. Costzon Kids Recliner Chair. Crafted with a sturdy wooden frame and safe materials, this chair is built for stability and durability. Its heavy-duty feet ensure it stays put on any surface, providing a reliable spot for your child's leisure time. This chair features a convenient cup holder right in the armrest, perfect for drinks. The adjustable backrest and footrest allow your child to find their most comfortable position for relaxing. Made with soft, breathable PU leather and high-density sponge, it offers great comfort. Spills are no problem, simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth to keep it looking great for years. Specially designed for children, this recliner is the ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. Its strong structure supports up to 150 pounds and adds a stylish touch to any room. Its lightweight design makes it easy for children to move it themselves, fostering independence. Assembly is also a breeze, so they can start enjoying it right away. What we like. This kids' recliner offers ultimate comfort and convenience for your little one. The adjustable backrest and footrest, along with a handy cup holder, make it perfect for relaxing. If you want to give your child their own special spot for reading, watching TV, or just lounging in comfort, this recliner is an excellent option. What people say. The crib is made of solid wood and is very sturdy. The changing table has a lot of storage space and the drawers slide smoothly. The dresser is a good size and the drawers are deep enough to hold a lot of clothes. Number 2. Children's Factory, the Whatsit Modular Kids Couch. Introducing a couch designed for endless fun and creativity. It's perfect for playtime, relaxing, and making memories. This versatile sofa can be reconfigured in countless ways, offering new adventures every day. It's ideal for imaginative play, movie nights, or just lounging around. Easily transform this piece from a sofa into 2 separate chairs and back again. It's built with durable, soft material designed to withstand active kids. Life happens, but messes don't have to stick. The high-performance, stain-repellent covers are machine washable and zip off in seconds for effortless cleaning. This 6-piece design features dense foam for lasting durability and softer foam for ultimate snuggling. It's made to be a favorite spot for years to come. With generous dimensions, it provides ample space for children aged 3 and up to enjoy. It's the perfect addition to any playroom or living area. What we like. This modular couch offers endless possibilities for creative play and relaxation. It can be reconfigured into different shapes, including 2 chairs, making it adaptable to any space or activity. If you value flexibility, easy cleaning, and a durable piece of furniture that can transform with your child's imagination, this is the one. What people say. The crib is made of solid wood and is very sturdy. The changing table has a lot of storage space and the drawers slide smoothly. The dresser is a good size and the drawers are deep enough to hold a lot of clothes. Number 1. Todale Play Pen, Pink. Introducing the Todale Play Pen, designed to give your little one a secure and spacious area to play and explore. Its generous size ensures they have plenty of room to move around. Featuring a breathable mesh design, this playpen allows for excellent ventilation, keeping your baby comfortable at all times. You can easily keep an eye on them through the mesh. The anti-slip base provides enhanced stability, ensuring the playpen stays firmly in place. This offers peace of mind while your child enjoys their playtime. Designed for convenience, it's easily foldable and portable. Take it with you on trips or store it away effortlessly when not in use. This versatile playpen is ideal for both babies and toddlers. It serves as a safe crib and a fun play yard, adapting to your child's growing needs. Setting up this playpen is a breeze. You can have a safe play space ready for your child in just a few simple steps, no complicated tools required. What we like. This playpen provides a safe and spacious area for your baby or toddler to play. The breathable mesh ensures good ventilation, and its portable, foldable design makes it easy to move and store. If you need a secure, easy-to-manage play space for your little one, whether at home or on the go, this playpen is a great solution. What people say. The crib is very sturdy and well-made, with a beautiful finish that matches her nursery perfectly. The changing table has plenty of storage space, with deep drawers that hold all of her diapers and clothes. The rocking chair is incredibly comfortable, and the smooth rocking motion helps soothe her to sleep. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.